Hello friends, welcome to Dream UPSC. Today we are discussing the continuation of Paleolithic sites. The first site is Hiran Valley. Hiran Valley, located in Saurashtra region of Gujarat, famous for lower and middle Paleolithic tools. The lower Paleolithic context is dated 1,90,000 to 69,000 BC. This is Hiran Valley. So we are discussing the next site, Luni Valley. Luni Valley is located in Rajasthan. Excavation revealed lower and middle Paleolithic sites. The term Luni industry is used for middle Paleolithic assemblage west of Aravallis and here more variety in stone tools types and larger number of reworked flakes have been found. The next site is Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka, located at about 45 km southeast of Bhopal in Raisan district of Madhya Pradesh. Due to availability of shelter, food and raw material for tools, this site has been continuously occupied since Stone Age times, as evident through early Stone Age tools. Small stone tools of quartzite belong to lower Paleolithic age and remains of scrapers blade and burials of middle and upper Paleolithic age respectively. Mesolithic periods tools like blades, triangles, trappers, curran, etc. were made of chalcedony. Chalcolithic potters have also been found. Bhimbetka rock paintings, which are of age from 1 lakh years ago to medieval period, is one of the most important historical sources. Ostrich eggshell beads have been found that dates back to Upper Paleolithic. The next site is Bhagor site. It's located in Son Valley in Sindhi district of Madhya Pradesh. Upper Paleolithic site with remains of stone tools like blades, scrapers and burials. With the help of microwave analyzers, the substances activity of this phase has been found to be hunting, craftwork and food gathering. An Upper Paleolithic shrine dated 9000 to 8000 BC have been found, where a broken triangular stone icon, most probably of a goddess, was found on a round circular platform made up of sandstone. Similar practice of worship has been found in Kol and Baiga tribals residing in this region. The next site is Chopani Mando. It's situated in Belan Valley in Allahabad district of Uttar Pradesh, a habitation site with cultural sequence from the Upper Paleolithic to Neolithic age. Upper Paleolithic tools were made of chert available in nearby Vindhyas. Animal fossils of wild cattle, sheep and goats have been found, and as sheep and goats don't seem to be indigenous to this area, this must have been brought from the northwest. Thus it shows that domestication of animal started. The next site is Kalpi. Located at the banks of river Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh. Dating back to Middle Paleolithic age, the site is the oldest one having remains of human settlements found so far in the Gangetic Plains. A factory site in Middle Paleolithic age where both stone tools and bone tools were found, along with the fossils of elephant tusk molars of Equus dating back to 40,000 to 45,000 years have been found. Next site is Peisra. Peisra, situated in Munger district of Bihar. Lower Paleolithic living and working floor was excavated. The whole area was rich in finished and unfinished artifacts, broken pieces of stone and anvils. 8 post holes have been found. So these are the today's topic. I cover the rest of the sites in my next video. Hope you all can understand. If you have any suggestions, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.